Hi guys, this video is a continuation of how to pay your Chinese supplier in China from Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to ship from China to Nigeria once you have paid your Chinese supplier. And if you haven't yet watched the video how to pay your Chinese supplier in China from Nigeria, I do recommend that you watch that. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You can also click on the card here to watch the video. In the previous video, I showed how you can pay your Chinese supplier from China and how you can select a logistic company that can ship from China to Nigeria. So in the video, we use Chrisvic Mall to pay the Chinese supplier, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can then ship a product from China to Nigeria once it has arrived at Chrisvic Mall's facility. So in this section, you can see that we received a notification that the parcel with the order number has arrived in China. They would also share you the weight information that you will use later on in calculating for your shipping. So now once you have received this notification, the next thing you need to do is come to this section where it says logistic and click on this, and just below this you can see shipping address book, NG logistic request, and China shipping request. So but because we are shipping from China to Nigeria, we'll be clicking on China shipping request, and once you have clicked on this, it's going to take you to the China shipping request page. On this page, you'll be able to see all the list of items that you have that has been delivered from your Chinese supplier in China to Chrisvic Mall office in this section. And you have as much as 90 days for your item to be in storage without being charged or your items being removed directly from their store. And you also have to keep in mind that if you do not pay for your order soon, after it has been delivered to Chrisvic Mall, that after 90 days, you will no longer have access to your order, meaning they can do whatever they want with your order. It's part of the agreement. So in this section, you'll be able to see the delivery ID, parcel image if there is any image provided, order ID, parcel kg, date received, extra fee, demurrage begins, views, and then image request. With the image request, you can ask Chrisvic Mall to provide you an image of the products that they have received. But once you have initiated the process, you won't be able to ship your product until that request has been met. And once the image has been provided, you'll be able to find it in the parcel image section. Now, if you have multiple orders on this website, you're going to see them listed in a format, and then you can select using the tag which one of them you'd want to ship immediately to Nigeria. So all you just need to do once you have decided the items that you want to ship to Nigeria is come to this section and click add new address. Now this is very easy. The address you're going to be providing is the information of where you want the product to be delivered, and there are just few information that you need to provide, such as the receiver's name, the name of the person who is to receive the product, receiver's phone number, who they will call or send a text message or a WhatsApp chat when the product arrives in Nigeria, receiver address book, the residential address of the receiver, which is going to be your address if you are the one buying, receiver city, the current city that you are living in, and then enter the zip code. The zip code, you can simply open a new tab on your computer or your phone and search for your state and local government with their postal code. So once you have filled all this information, although this is optional, you can then come to this receiver's country and select the country where you want the product to be delivered to. So once you're done, simply click on submit, and then your address book is going to be added in this section. Now upon successfully adding your address, the next thing you can do is select it in this section, and then you're going to have this drop down. In this drop down, it says please note that items products that contains liquid and battery cannot be shipped through normal shipping GZ. If your item contains liquid or battery, please choose normal shipping HK. The shipping price is for shipping from China to our Lagos office. But do not worry about that because they do have other outlets in this section. So this is where you select the shipping options that is available to you. The cheapest shipping option you have is Chrisvic Mall Post. You have the sea shipping, normal shipping, and then normal shipping GZ. So if you'd want to ship anything that contains liquid and battery, you should select the normal shipping HK, and this is also going to reflect in the price. So in this section, select pickup office, which they have two pickup offices in Nigeria, Abuja and Lagos. Now once your item arrives at a particular location, even if you live outside of these two states. All you just need to do is wait for them to send you an information that your parcel has arrived in Nigeria. You can give them a call and tell them where you want the product to be delivered to, whichever state you are. They will deliver it to you. They use alternatives such as Gig Logistic or whichever logistic company that is suitable for you. So you can select from Abuja or Lagos. I'm simply going to select on Abuja and then click on calculate shipping cost. This will give me an idea of how much I'm supposed to fund my account to be able to pay for the shipping of this product. Now the most important section here is the estimated delivery date. So for the normal shipping HK, you have 14 to 24 days from day of shipping. So once you have submitted the shipping request, you have from 14 days to 24 days to have the item delivered to you in Nigeria. Although there are also other shipping methods. If you decide to select the sea shipping method, you can get as much as 90 days upon delivery to Nigeria. And the requirement is that you must have a product that is over 10 kg. But if you're on a budget and you don't mind how long it takes for your product to be delivered to you in Nigeria, you can simply go for the Chris Vic Mall post. Simply come to this section and click calculate shipping cost again, and you can see that it has reduced drastically from about $14.65 minimum account balance to about $7, which has saved a lot of cost. But because the product I am currently shipping has liquid in it, I am going to come back to normal shipping HK and then click on calculate shipping cost again. You can see in this section that the subtotal is about $18.31, which is whatever we have here multiplied by the current exchange rate, which I showed you in the previous video, which is currently at 745 naira to $1. So this is what you need to have in your account to be able to pay for all the charges for delivering your product from China to Nigeria. But the minimum account balance is the amount you need to have in your account before you can place an order. But when you're going to receive the load, you have to pay the balance of the difference to be able to receive your load. So you do not need to pay the whole $18.31 before you can order. You can pay $14.65 before you can place your order. So in the previous video on how to pay your Chinese supplier, I have shown you how you can fund your account balance. So I won't go through that in this video again. All I'm going to do next is fund the account balance and then complete the order from there. So before I forget, there are also other useful information on this China shipping page. Here you'll be able to see the total estimated weight, the weight of the product you are currently trying to ship, the price per kg, additional fee if there are any additional fee, delivery, how much it will cost you to deliver it to the location you have specified. You also find estimated delivery time, estimated shipping fee and total. So in this section here, you'll be able to write specific requests that you want the logistic company to help you handle when shipping from China to Nigeria. So for example, if you buy products from a seller who has multiple products in their catalog, you can write to Chris Vic Mall to remove the product you want to be removed and then focus on shipping the one you want to ship to Nigeria. So I have already gone to credit my account in the local amount that is necessary for me to ship these products from China to Nigeria. If you haven't yet watched the video on how to easily pay your Chinese supplier, like I said, you can check the description to watch that video. Once you have deposited money in your account, you're going to see your balance in this section. Now once you have deposited the minimum account balance, you can then come to this section and click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then click here to place an order for shipping. And just with that, you have successfully placed your order, and Chris Vic Mall will then initiate your shipping and deliver your product from China to Nigeria. So congratulations, now you know how to pay your Chinese supplier from Nigeria and how to ship from China to Nigeria. If you would like to learn how to shop from 1688 to Nigeria, then make sure you are subscribed and have that post notification turned on. If you would like to learn how to shop from Alibaba full tutorial, then click here to watch the free video tutorial. And then finally, if you have a better way that can help ship from China to Nigeria, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know some of the possible questions you may have on how to ship from China to Nigeria in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turned on so that you'll be the first person to be notified when a new video is out. And also, do not forget to smash on that like button. I hope to see you guys in my next video.